Yes, you will always be here. This is Jack, the Yiwu market guide. And yesterday, I picked up one customer from airport and stayed here, and I booked the hotel here, and they stayed here. And today, and I'm going to meet them again. So after that, we'll go to our warehouse to have a meeting to plan for the next 5 to 7 days. So to fill up their container. Okay, so let's go inside to have a look. Okay, so this is our guest today and our customer. So they are from Sri Lanka, and they are come here for a mission to fill up a full container of different products. We are going to show them first our warehouse, and we'll have a meeting in our warehouse to plan the day today and the rest of 5 days here. You follow our camera, and you will discover how we can help our customers to make the best of their time, to find what they want, and to control the quality, and to ship the products at the time they want. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you very much. Let's go.
Thank you.
Okay, so now we're going to our warehouse, and actually it's only like 2 minutes from your hotel, and also from our office. Our office is just beside your hotel. Yeah, so this is the warehouse. Yeah, this is a warehouse. Yeah, warehouse, and this is actually it's a governmental, it's a state-owned warehouse. Yeah, so we're managed to have a long-term contract here, so it's closer to our office. Yeah, it's also close to your hotel. Yeah. Okay. It's like the small trucks. Yeah, you take the products up over here. Yeah, then container comes. Yeah. Product coming, can be put on a pallet. This container goes to Africa. Yeah, goes to West Africa. And that shipment, and that one goes to Europe. The products are collected here. You see, so it's like they do the quality inspection here. Yeah. So I can show you here. It's like this. So this is the order list. Yeah, order list for all the products, the description and the quantities. So with this, and they come here, and then to do the inspection. Yeah, normally it's a random inspection. Yeah, we do like a 5% random cutting open inspection. So after inspection, the products are sold here. Yeah, then when the products are ready, then we hook the container. Just come here and reload it here. So here there's different places for different containers. This was to Canada. Yeah, this shipment. Yeah, because I know the one. Yeah, this was to Canada. So this is empty. This is for you, huh?
We are home there, having you from our table.
Yeah, you will always be here. But this we also keep a small office here because it's very close to the product. You do the inspection and yeah, it's very easy for those.
Hi, how are you?
Our experience.
Experience.
It's more than 50 years, but we have been working together already for quite some years, and we know each other for many years.
Many things, yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Wait, this one you come. No, we have other friends. Okay. You put all the friends.
Okay, so now we are going to the market because the market is huge, and so we have to do a little bit plan according to your
exactly.
products. Yeah, for toys we go from the district 1. We go to the gate number 1. Yeah, so after that, and then you can walk back. It's on the same direction back to your hotel. Yeah, so after you finish, like about 4:30, and then you can start to return to the hotel. Because today is the first day, and you are still in a time difference, jet lag. So we can put short hours for today, but in the following days, and we can do longer and longer. Yeah. Also because your budget, it's like for that budget, you will have plenty of time. Yeah, it is time to discuss.
Yeah. So next week's money will send you.
Okay, so we just finished the meeting, and now our customer is going with our guide, and they will spend some time in the market, and actually in the following 5 days, and they will spend the time here and to select what they want. And after that, we will follow up with the shipping and everything. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. I will see you next time. Bye.
One for the 40 pieces. MOQ 3 carton. We have 2 different quality. Quality 16 6块吧。他们不是你看的吗？我也对的。